Hello, gorgeous. This is Shannon from the Pretty Department. I'm going to go through some of the essentials that you need to have in your kit or your set bag for day playing. All right, let's go really quickly. You're going to have a lip balm in there. All right, I like this brand. You don't have to get this brand. This has a solve or a slove. If I said it wrong, don't offend it, because you can also use it to, add a little sweat to the face, put a little water over top of it. If somebody has cracked lips, you can put that on, or a little bit of cracked skin. This is great. You're going to have a neutral lip palette, because neutral colors are what you want to have for day playing. This is a great palette. You want to have some blushes. These cream blushes can also go as a stain for your lips, so that's amazing as well. You want to depot, if you want to, your foundations. These are my foundations. See the range of colors. You want to have palettes that have powders in them. Look at that as well. And you want to have a neutral color eyeshadow palette. All right, neutral colors are the way to go. When you're day playing, you want to be simple and small. If this is all for if you're doing present day or every day. If you're doing period, they will tell you what to do, but keep it small for your day playing kit.